Is prices of Valvoline oil change worth it? The prices of Valvoline oil change can range from a low range to high side. The Valvoline Car Care offers various essential services to keep your vehicle in good working order. An oil change service is one of those important services that the Valvoline offers just to clean and smooth out your engine. This on the other hand helps your engine last longer by keeping the oil and filter clean and free of contaminants. In this video, we are going to look at various services offered at the Valvoline, how long their oil change services last, what's the meaning of a full service oil change and the prices of Valvoline oil change and why you should consider Valvoline synthetic oil. What's a full-service oil change? A full-service oil change is one that requires an auto specialist to change your car oil to the type that it requires, like a conventional, synthetic blend, or high-mileage oil. Your spent oil and oil filter will also be replenished and recycled. In addition, the cabin filter and air filter will be checked and replaced as necessary. What are prices of Valvoline oil change? The prices for Valvoline oil change ranges from $42 to $85 for their services. Valvoline Express Care offers oil changes, tire rotations, and other services. Valvoline offers low-cost, quick oil changes. In many cases, the price is lower than the competition without sacrificing quality. Valvoline offers 3 different types of oil changes to its customers. The following are the prices. $42 for the standard service, $63 for a high-mileage/synthetic blend, $85 for full synthetic. A complete oil change is available at Valvoline. According to the manufacturer's guidelines, up to 5 gallons of Valvoline oil, a new oil filter, and lubrication of your car's chassis components are all included in this service. Be sure to watch this video to the end to see a full comparison of the price with other brands. But is Valvoline full synthetic oil good oil? Valvoline synthetic oil is a good lubricant because it fits your engine's requirements. It also maintains and makes sure your engine is running smoothly. Valvoline synthetic oil is also inexpensive. It uses less fuel due to its improved performance. As a result, you'll make fewer journeys to the gas station to refuel. Valvoline synthetic oil does not dissipate in high temperatures, allowing for longer drain intervals. When you factor in the cost, Valvoline offers both products and services as A+. You'll know that your car received consistent service and was handled with quality products during its time in the Valvoline professional's care. Without question, Valvoline is one of the most well-known automotive brands. Motor oil is Valvoline's most famous product. Because of the way the brand name has been pushed, their motor oil products are considered higher quality. Some may believe that this is correct and that this brand is superior. On the other hand, others think this is just a brand name company's marketing strategy. How much should an oil change cost? Oil changes can cost anywhere between $20 and $85 on average. Several factors influence the total cost of the oil change. These variables include the vehicle's oil type, model and kind, driving circumstances, and topography. In either case, an oil change should be affordable. It's probably worth changing the oil yourself if you're confident in driving a relatively old automobile. At the moment, this will reduce your costs. An oil change is an essential aspect of routine car maintenance, regardless of cost. During this procedure, the used motor oil is drained from the engine and replaced with new motor oil. This keeps the automobile engine running smoothly and prevents friction in the machine, leading to overheating. The cost of an oil change is well worth it in the long run. How much should a fully synthetic oil change cost? A synthetic oil change should set you back between $50 and $75. The most expensive option is usually an oil change with full synthetic oil. This type of oil change costs around $70 at Goodyear. Even if your vehicle doesn't require synthetic oil, it's worth thinking about. Synthetic oil is the most expensive alternative, but it can help you save money on maintenance by prolonging the life of your engine and making it run cleaner. Full synthetic oil is on the upper end, with additional additives to protect your engine. The cheapest oil is conventional, and synthetic blends are in the middle. They are mixes designed to deliver the benefits of synthetic oil at a more affordable cost. How long does a Valvoline full synthetic oil change last? The Valvoline Limited Engine Guarantee makes changing your oil every 3,000 to 4,000 miles simple. Those that enroll in their vehicles will receive simple reminders. We recognize that owing to your hectic schedule, you may not be able to change your oil every 3,000 miles. Therefore, we allow you to change it every 3,000 to 4,000 miles. Synthetic oil is more refined than ordinary automotive oil, reducing friction, reducing engine sludge, and improving engine performance. Depending on the vehicle and the synthetic oil brand, synthetic oil should be changed every 7,500 to 15,000 miles. Always consult your owner's handbook for further information on changing your oil at the correct intervals. An oil change is something that almost any technician can do. There are, however, businesses that specialize in the craft and are far less expensive. These businesses are very competitive, which helps to keep oil change costs low by simplifying ordering and overhead. Filter replacements and tire rotations are among the services they provide. What services are worth it at Valvoline? Listed below are some of the recommended worth it services offered at Valvoline you may want to consider hiring them for. Drainage. Service of cooling. Service of brake fluid. Transmission system service. Windshield wiper. Oil, air, cabin and filter. Fluid service with differences. Is it worth it to get synthetic oil? Yes, synthetic oil is superior to regular oil for your engine. Although traditional oil can offer enough lubrication, synthetics can outperform conventional crude in overall engine performance and protection. Synthetic oils, for example, can assist clean your engine, minimize sludge buildup, and boost fuel efficiency. Synthetic oils have fewer contaminants than conventional oils, resulting in increased engine longevity and performance. Sludge reduction implies smoother functioning from the start. Because synthetic oils can resist cooler weather than conventional oils, you can start your car without fear in the winter. Synthetic oils can also endure higher temperatures, reducing summer combustion. Does an oil change include transmission fluid? A transmission fluid change is similar to an oil change, except a transmission fluid is used instead of engine oil. The mechanic will install a huge pan below your vehicle's transmission and remove the drain plug to drain the fluid during a transmission fluid change. The transmission fluid and filter will be changed as a standard transmission maintenance service. It's comparable to how a regular engine oil change is performed in certain aspects. Although the work is more difficult for transmission, it is usually not required as frequently. When it comes to changing transmission fluid, fewer people do it themselves than when it comes to changing oil. How often should I change my oil filter? When you get your vehicle's oil changed, you should generally replace the oil filter every other time. So, if you change your oil every 3,000 miles, your filter will need to be replaced every 6,000 miles. However, while determining how often to change the oil filter, it's better to consult your technician or a specialist. If you drive 3,000 miles per year, you should replace your filter every 6,000 miles. If you go 6,000 miles per year, as most current vehicles do, you should replace your filter at every 12,000 miles. However, other considerations come into play, and some mechanics advise replacing the tires more frequently. So, here is where we wrap it up for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you do, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I will be meeting you in the upcoming video with another exciting piece of content. Till then, do watch our other video. Bye.